In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P1108 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. Once you have bring it up, please search for HP LaserJet P1108 driver and hit the enter key, and then that way you would be navigated to the result. So please proceed any of this result. Anyway, they have similar options as long as you can download the printer driver. That's the very important thing. So it will automatically detect the operating system. Apparently, it's not detecting for Windows 11 since this driver is not available for Windows 11. But don't worry because Windows 10 operating system works well 100% for Windows 11. So here you need to scroll down on the list and you would be able to see driver product installation software. Click on this download to continue. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not, click on download. Wait until it would be downloaded. Okay. Once done, please navigate to the three dots, click on Downloads, and there you can see the downloaded file. So click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So once you're here, let's move this to the desktop by making a right click, go with this cut icon and close the window as well as this one. And here, please make a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have pasted it, you need to extract the file. So there are two ways on how to do such. You can double tap to it and in that way you would be able to extract it, or you can simply make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract the file. So please navigate here and go with extract to. So it will now start on the extraction. Please wait until this would be finished before we proceed to the installation. So once done, set this aside, okay? And here, you need to proceed to the File Explorer to check if the extracted file has been placed at the desktop. Tap on the left pane where you can see the desktop, okay? Tap on it and there you can see the extracted file. So from that on, you can now close the window and you need to navigate to the search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match should appear, okay? And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on the open option to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. Now please navigate to the left pane where you can see Bluetooth and devices. Tap on it and here please proceed with printers and scanners and select on add device. Once this option, which is the printer that I want, is enlisted, click on Add Manually Aligning to it and wait until a new window would show up where we can manually add our printer driver. Once it's here, please choose for Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Once you're good, please click on Next and click on Have Disk since we have that and proceed to the desktop where our extracted file has been located. Please navigate to this one. Okay, all you need to do is you need to scroll down and select any of this. Select any of this. So click on open, click on OK, and it will show up here. All you need to do is you need to locate for P1108. Okay, so it's here. Click on next, go with next, and it will now start on the installation. So we just have to wait until this would be finished since we're almost there. Once done, click on next. Go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet Professional or Pro P1108 in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.